Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best self-emptying robot vacuums that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus Self-Emptying Robot Vacuum. The iRobot Roomba S9 Plus has a D shape, which helps it gets into corners to pick up dirt circular vacuums can miss. This model has a souped-up engine with impressive power to inhale debris without scattering it all over the place. The large, wide rubber brush roll is located at the front of the device, which helps it really shine at pulling dirt and debris from carpets and perform well at picking up even longer hair strands. The advanced camera-based smart floor mapping system can learn and remember about specific furniture placement, and you can instruct it to exclude specific areas. This model has multi-level mapping, with a capacity to store up to 10 maps, so it's a great choice for homes with more than one floor. Moving on at number 4, we have the Eufy X8 Pro Robot Vacuum Self-Empty Station. This isn't the newest robot vacuum from Eufy, but it's a solid option with great features that's been well reviewed. And if you want a self-emptying robot vacuum without paying closer to $1,000 for it, the X8 Pro is a great choice. Eufy claims that the powerful twin-turbine suction of the X8 Pro in conjunction with their roller brush technology mean the robot not only suctions up any hair from your floors, but that hair also doesn't get tangled up in the works. The Eufy Clean app works in conjunction with the customizable AI mapping feature to program where you want the vacuum to go and what its boundaries are. The iPath laser navigation scans for obstacles to avoid like your sleeping cat. At number 3, we have the Shark Detect Pro Self-Empty Robot Vacuum. Shark Detect Pro has features that make it ideal for a home with multiple flooring surfaces or carpets or rugs of different piles. The unit's never-stuck technology can detect when a higher level is in front of it. Then, like a transformer, it sprouts gear-like legs on each side to actually lift it up over obstacles and uneven flooring and lower it down again. This, combined with the ability to adjust the brush roll when it detects carpet, makes it ideal for shoppers looking for a self-emptying robot vacuum that can handle cleaning rugs. This vacuum has multiple sensors, including its edge detect, which produces a blast of air around edges and corners to dislodge debris so it can suction it up. Some users have reported that the air gusts can actually scatter dirt around, though, so the device may have to go back over the area. At number 2, we have the Roomba S8 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Roomba S8 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop has 4 cleaning settings for ultimate flexibility: vacuum only, mop only, vacuum then mop, and vacuum and mop simultaneously. The mop pad vibrates to help it pick up muck, which makes this device better at scraping off dried stains than some other models. Even when the mop feature is engaged, the S8 Pro Ultra can sense a rug or carpet so it can lift the wet pad up. Infrared imaging and 3D obstacle avoidance help the unit avoid hazards in both light and dark rooms. The convenient app lets you schedule cleaning cycles and map a home up to 4 floors. Also, you can set the vacuum to clean along the floor direction to minimize scraping along seams and divisions on your flooring. And finally, at number 1, we have the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus 7550 Self-Emptying Robot Vacuum. The Roomba J7 Plus has a lot in common with our top overall pick, but it's more suited for people with pets. While it retains the more common circular shape, it does feature an edge-sweeping brush to help get debris out of corners and up against baseboards. The dual rubber brush rolls help suction up pet hair and debris from wood floors, linoleum and carpets, whatever you've got. Users report that even with a bin full of pet hair, after docking, the self-emptying features works smoothly with no clogs. Hellemaids Maziel praises the Roomba J7 Plus as the best pick for pet owners for its great pet hair pickup and smart obstacle avoidance. The app offers smart mapping of your home and also to specify clean zones and keep out zones. As the robot scoots along, It takes photos of obstacles it encounters and gives you the opportunity to identify them to train the vac, so you can let it know whether it found pet waste, a cat toy, an earbud, or something it should attempt to vacuum up. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.